Today we will have a brief outline on the various bakery and confectionery terms which are used in this industry. I will give you a brief description about them in one or two lines. We will go in details while making the products. The first term which we are going to discuss is absorption. What is basically absorption? Whenever we talk in bakery, we talk in the terms of flour. Basically, absorption is the capacity of flour to hold or absorb the moisture. If the flour has a good holding capacity of absorbing the water, it means profit to the manufacturer. That is what is basically absorption is. If the flour is having a large capacity to hold water, so it is basically a profit to the manufacturer. The second term which we discuss is aeration. It means to aerate the product with the help of gas to increase the volume. Aeration can be done with any other methods like baking powder. We can use baking powder, baking soda, yeast, or we can whisk the eggs, or even by the process known as creaming. The next term is albumin. What is albumin? Albumin is the white part of the egg. The next term is almond paste. Almonds ground to paste with sugar and used for cake decoration. It is basically used to decorate the cakes. That is almond paste. Bake. To cook or roast by dry heat in the oven is known as bake. What is baking powder now? Baking powder is a chemical leavening agent composed of soda, dry acid and cornstarch, which is responsible to absorb moisture. When heated, carbon dioxide is given off to raise the batter during baking. What is batter? A mixture of ingredients with liquid in consistency, which is liquid in consistency, is known as batter. Bleeding. The escape of air from the cut surface or the bread dough is known as bleeding. If we pull the bread dough and tear it in two parts, the surface will be zigzag and the loss of air will be much more as compared to the bread which has been cut with a sharp knife. That is why the escape of air is known as bleeding. That is why it is always told to cut the bread with the help of a sharp knife. What is blend? To mix different ingredients together is known as blend. Bran. Once again we will discuss about bran. Bran is basically outer skin of the wheat. What is endosperm? Endosperm is that part of the wheat from which the refined flour is obtained. What is germ? Germ is that part of the wheat from which wheat germinates and oil is obtained. Another important term, bread. Simple term, bread. Any baked food made of flour, sugar, salt, yeast as one of the ingredients, and it is raised with the help of yeast. That is bread. What are bread faults? Any fault in the bread or any deviation in the bread than the normal color of the bread due to any wrong method adopted, due to any faulty procedure adopted while making bread, is known as bread fault. There are many types of bread fault which we will discuss later. What is buttercream? Buttercream is a cream which is made with equal part of sugar and butter, and it is used in sandwiching the biscuits, which is normally found in biscuits. It can be used for decorating of cakes and many other things. What are cake faults? Cake faults are again the faults which are there in the cake, and it is there because of normally because we have adopted a wrong practice to make a cake, or we have not chosen the right quantity of ingredients to make the cake, or we have adopted a wrong method or wrong baking practice. That is why there are faults in the cake. That fault can be of color, of taste, of texture, of smell, and these faults are known as cake faults. Caramelized sugar. When we heat the sugar, and we should heat the sugar without stirring it continuously till it is dark in color, is known as caramelized sugar. Now what is carbon dioxide? A colorless, tasteless, edible gas obtained during fermentation or combination of soda and acid, and the carbon dioxide gas is present in bread, which gives volume to the bread. Casein, the protein present in milk is known as casein. Citron, the sweetened rind of the citrus fruit is known as citron. Cocoa, a powder made from chocolate from which part of cocoa butter has been extracted. Cottage cheese, Indian cheese is known as cottage cheese, obtained by curdling the milk. What is cream? The fat portion of the milk is known as cream. Now, what is creaming process? We have heard of this creaming process while making the biscuit. What is creaming process? Creaming process is the process of mixing and aerating shortening with sugar or flour that gives volume to the product is known as creaming. Crusting, formation of dry crust on surface of the dough due to evaporation of water, normally found in the breads when we keep it for proofing. If we do not cover it with a wet duster, a layer of crust gets formed on the top of the bread. To prevent this crusting to happen, we should always wet the cloth in the water and then put it on the top of the dough so that no crusting formation take place. Danish pastry. Danish pastry is a type of pastry, is another type of pastry which uses a combination of a bread dough and lamination of the puff pastry. Docking. Docking is punching the dough with a smooth round stick so that the dough expands uniformly without bursting during baking. What is dough? Mixing of the ingredients with the help of liquid to make a solid mass is known as dough. What is donut? A cake with a hole made of flour, sugar, yeast or baking powder and fried in deep fat is donut. Dry yeast. We have heard of compressed yeast. Now it is dry yeast. A dry yeast is a dehydrated form of active yeast. The solid content in dry yeast is 90% and 10% is the moisture, whereas in fresh yeast, as already told to you, 70% is water and 30% is the solid content. Dusting. To spread a thin layer of flour to pans so that the product do not stick to the pan is known as dusting. We spread a thin layer of flour to the pans so that the product does not stick to the edges of the pan, that is known as dusting. Enriched bread. Bread made from enriched flour with addition of vitamins and minerals in it is known as enriched bread. Another important term which is known as fermentation. What is fermentation? The chemical changes of an organic compound due to action of living organism, yeast, bacteria, usually produces a leavening gas which is known as fermentation. Yeast reacts with sugar in the presence of an enzyme called zymase to give you ethyl alcohol plus water plus carbon dioxide. That is the fermentation process which is used in preparing of breads. Fold. To mix the flour slowly in the cake batter is known as fold. Folding is of we should take utmost care while folding the flour into the cake batter, because if it is mixed vigorously, the air bubbles which we have produced either due to whisking of eggs or due to the creaming method employed for making the cake batter will lead to the exclusion of the air and the product will be very heavy after baking. Formula. What is formula? Formula is the recipe of the dish along with the methods and ingredients used in the recipe. Fruit cake. A normal term, fruit cake. It is made with equal quantity of flour, sugar, fat, eggs and large amount of fruits and nuts and baked at 170 degrees centigrade for around 30 to 35 minutes. That is fruit cake. Gliadin. Gliadin is one of the protein present in the flour which gives elasticity. Glutenin, another type of protein present in the flour which provides strength. Now, what is gluten? The elastic protein formed when the protein part of the flour, that is gliadin and glutenin, is combined with water. They turn to form a protein which is known as gluten. And as I already told to you, without gluten, no bread is possible to make, as refined flour has got maximum quantity of gluten. So we need to have the quantity of gluten in refined flour in a maximum quantity to prepare a good bread. Greasing, spreading a layer of fat on the surface of baking tray and molds so that they do not stick to the pan. Hydrogenated oil, a natural oil that has been treated with hydrogen to convert it to solid form. For example, the shortening or margarine as used in bakery is a hydrogenated oil. Next term is invert sugar, a mixture of dextrose and levulose made by inverting sucrose with acid or with enzyme. Lactose, the sugar present in the milk is known as lactose. Leavening, another important term, leavening. Leavening is the raising of the product with the help of leavening agents like baking powder, baking soda, yeast, using the method of whisking, creaming, or even sieving. Macaroons, small biscuits made from coconut or almond paste, sugar and egg white. Melting point, the temperature at which the fat melts is the melting point of that fat. For example, melting time of the shortening is around 42 degrees centigrade. Marine, a white frothy mass of beaten egg white and sugar is known as marine. Marine is used in various types of preparations. It is used for decorating of various dessert items, and it is used in decorating cakes also. Now, milk solids. The solid material of milk after water have been removed is milk solids. Molasses, light to dark brown syrup obtained from sugarcane juice is molasses. Old dough, yeast dough which has become over fermented due to long fermentation, which gives sour taste, low volume and dark color to crumb of the product being cooked is known as old dough. Pie, dessert with pastry bottom and has fruit or cream filling. Proofing box, it is used for proper fermentation of the product. It is done with the help of steam generated in it. The proper temperature of yeast to get activity is around 26 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade. So the proofing box should have a temperature of in between 26 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade. Sifting, to pass through the sieve for effective blending, and to remove foreign particles is known as sifting. Tart, small pastries with heavy fruit filling or creams is tart. Young dough, yeast dough which is under fermented is known as young dough. Young dough, if you do not proof it nicely and if it is under fermented, the final outcome of the bread will not be as desired. Thank you.